Hey, Aman, what are you doing? Hi, Ravi. Nothing much. Just sitting at home and feeling bored. What about you? Same here. I finished my homework and now I do not know what to do. Why do not we go outside? The weather is really nice today. That's a good idea. Where should we go? Let's go to the park. We can play cricket or just walk and talk. I like that. It's been a long time since we played together. Yes, and we can also get some snack from the shop near the park. Wow, now I am excited. What time should we meet? Let's meet in 10 minutes near your house. Okay, I will be ready. Don't be late. Don't worry, I will be there on time. Great, see you soon. See you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.